Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. Okay, students, open your junior English book, page number 53, and write the short date 9, 7, and 2020. Okay, students, let's see what are the similars. First, see its definition. Okay, students, similars or synonyms have the same meaning. Okay, you can say the similar or you can say the synonym. So, a similar or a synonym is a word having the same or nearly the same meaning as another word or a phrase. Let me show you some examples. Okay, students, look at this picture. Look at this girl. She is very scared of something, or you can say she is very afraid of something. So, this girl is afraid, or this girl is scared. Afraid and scared both have the same meaning. Both these words are similars, which have the same meaning. Okay, students, now look at another picture. Look at this picture. Start. The race is started, or you can say the race begins. So, begin and start. Both of these words are similars. The race started or the race began. So, begin, the race begin, or the race start. Okay, students, look at this picture. Which picture is this? Kid or child? This picture is, I think, kid. What you say? You can also say it child, or you can say this is a picture of a kid. So, kid and child both have the same meaning. Okay, this is a picture of child or kid. You can say kid or child, because child and kid both have the same meaning. Both are the similars. Okay, students, can you tell me which picture is this? Is this a sofa or a couch? Is there any guesses? I think this is sofa. What you say? I think this is couch. Yes, this is also couch, and this you can also say it's sofa. Couch and sofa. So, couch and sofa are the similars. Okay, students, look at this picture. Is the baby crying or weeping? Is there any guesses? Baby is crying or weeping? Weep? Yes. Cry? Yes. Because cry and weep are the similar words. Okay? Both of these have the same meaning. Okay, students, look at another picture. Sick. This boy is sick. Or you can say this boy is ill. Both have the same meaning. Sick, the similar of sick is ill. Okay, student, look at the next picture. Ship and boat, because both have similars of each other. Ship is the similar of boat. Okay, students, now there is an activity of similars. Okay, so are you ready for activity? Let's start it. Okay, students, here is some activity for you. If you understand the similars, can you match it? Look at the first picture. This is a picture of a gift. So can you match it from this line? Home, present, bucket and small. Gift and small. No, no match. Gift and bucket. No, it's not match. Gift and present. Yes, it match. So we will match it. Good. Look at the next picture. This is a picture of ant. Tiny. Tiny. Home? No. Tiny bucket? No. Tiny? Small? Yes, both of these have the same. Look at the next picture. House. Can you see house here? No. This one? House. Bucket. No. House. Home. Yes. Okay, the last picture is left of pail. What is this? Pail. Can you see any similar here? Is there another other name of the pail? Yes, bucket. Well done. Okay, in this way, you can do some activity at home also. Okay, student, in this way, complete Junior English book page, okay, with the help of the list.